How to fix Epson Error 00041. Step-by-step troubleshooting for Epson Error 00411. Power cycle the printer. Turn off the printer and unplug it from the power source. Wait for about 60 seconds. Plug the printer back in and turn it on. Check if the error persists. LinkedIn.com 2. Inspect and reinstall ink cartridges. Open the printer cover to access the ink cartridges. Remove each cartridge carefully. Check for any protective tapes or packaging materials that might not have been removed. Reinsert each cartridge firmly into its corresponding slot, ensuring they click into place. Close the printer cover and see if the error is resolved. 3. Replace empty or faulty cartridges. If any cartridges are low or empty, replace them with new compatible Epson cartridges. Avoid using refilled or third-party cartridges, as they might not be recognized properly by the printer. 4. Clean cartridge contacts. Turn off the printer and unplug it. Remove the ink cartridges. Using a lint-free cloth slightly dampened with distilled water, gently clean the electrical contacts on the cartridges and the corresponding contacts inside the printer. Allow the contacts to dry completely before reinstalling the cartridges. 5. Check for paper jams or obstructions. Open all accessible areas of the printer to inspect for any paper jams or foreign objects. Remove any found obstructions carefully. Ensure all covers and trays are properly closed before turning the printer back on. For more updates, subscribe. Our channel, The Printer Zone.